you sick of getting pushed around, brother? Are you ready to get buff and knock down and beat down the criminal gangsters and walk through and break through that wall and push around the crypto whales with your guns? Well, join old Vincenzo at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Like, subscribe, and share, and stop getting pushed around, you little weakling beefcake.
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, once again here on YouTube. You can see Cardano on White House crosshairs can push Cardano up this route. The recent White House announcement has placed the spotlight on Cardano as a leading proof of stake blockchain that currently on the market. This recent news follows the announcement of the Vaso upgrade, which aims to improve usability and scalability. Cardano will result with tweets of happy and confident traders and investors. Here at the White House Energy Report showcase Cardano as the largest proof of stake blockchain in the world, probably something said Dan Gambardillo in a recent tweet. Cardano price is up 7.5% to 52.5 cents before stabilizing about 52 to 49.5 cents. Using regression trends tool, blah, 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 blah. The reason this is important, as you do know, the U.S. government is trying to ban proof of work coins like Bitcoins because they're saying it's too energy intensive. And this is going to be something that you guys need to follow in the coin world as the regulatory things start to come down from the United States government as they're fighting what I believe is a phony climate war that is just restrict energy demand, energy consumption, and prosperity and standard of living. They're trying to drive it down. But the government's going to come hard, and they're going to come big time over the next couple of years with the administration that you got now. And they're going to try to ban energy intensive coins. And that is what Bitcoin is. It's very energy intensive. It takes a lot of energy to produce one coin and to keep the system running on operating as intended. And you're going to have to pay attention to the updated breaking news that comes out of the United States government. And that's what old Vincenzo's here to do. For all of you new people here listening to me on Twitter, Telegram, TikTok. If you're a TikTok listener, go to my Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Partner page to get coin updates and all the latest breaking news like you've just seen there. And that's what we do all the time. We go over the documents because everyone loves government documents. And old Vincenzo is the king of government documents. But you can see the Bitcoin price right now is still sitting at this area where it's trying to decide if it's going to take another leg to the upside or if it's going to come back down and retest this 21,000 and change right here, 21,747. If it does and can hold, that's bullish, right? If it comes back down on a retest and gets back underneath it, that would be bearish look, and that would tell you the price is going to come down, right? And if we look at, let's just look at a couple of our coins that we think are going to be big coins in the future. You can see Cardano is sitting up here at this major volume indicator. And as you do know, when it comes up from the bottom side, it acts as resistance. When it's coming at it from the top side, it likes to use it as support, then it flush back down through. And then if we look left on the chart a little bit more, coming from the great dump, you can see it flush through, support at the bottom, resistance, resistance. Big upper resistance up there because we got a 35 cent major upper resistance that it just can't get above, which is like the XRP's 37 cents. But right now you're struggling at the top part of this major resistance zone. So the odds say it's going to trade back down into this area, but there's the outside shot that it makes another run up here at the 35 cents. And the critical area to watch is that area right there at about 32.5 cents, the major resistance zone. Actually, that wasn't Cardano, was it? That was Algo. That was Algo we were talking about there. This is Cardano, excuse me, French. And you can see Cardano is in a similar area. It's got a 60 cent major upper resistance. But if we zoom out to the 3-hour time frame, you can see this has been actually, we want to zoom out farther back into the daily time frame. You can see we've been in this massive falling channel ever since the blow off top with the man holding the bowling ball and the club foot broke bullish. We got a bearish confirmation there, and it's been all downhill since then. So now that you see that, let's go back to the 3-hour time frame. You can see we tried to trade out of this falling channel, which is in blue. We need to make it a different color because everything's in blue. So we'll make this one in sort of a purplish color. That way we know what we're talking about. And it tried to break out of that, got rejected by that 60 cent major upper resistance, came back down to that falling channel and horizontal support at 42 cents, held it a few times, bounce to the upside, trying to confirm a breakout. Now you either A, want to see it come up here and breach this old high to confirm the breakout, or B, when it comes back down and back test the falling channel again, does it break through and start to trade back into the channel? And that's what we're watching out for. As long as you can stay in the 3-hour time frame above these moving averages, you can remain short-term bullish. If you slip them, you're going to come down to either retest at 42 cents or retest the major lower support like it held there of the falling channel that used to be resistance back in the price. You can see all these resistance times, right? You can see you got resistance right here, right? And then if we scoop back a little bit more, we got a big pump up and then a failed resistance, and then it traded back down into that triangle down there. See that? And then we got resistance right there, came down to support, pumped up, hit resistance, traded sideways, dumped back down again, right? Then if we zoom back even more at the chart, you can see we hit it resistance again. Resistance, traded down to support, traded sideways and up, hit resistance again, traded down, hit support, traded back up and sideways, right? Traded up and sideways into your next resistance. So that's what we're watching out for in Cardano. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love to you, yes, you, the beautiful audience.